Another example, prove that sin square a plus sin square b plus cos square a plus b plus 2 sin a sin b cos a plus b is equal to 1. इतनी बड़ी लंबी डेटा दे दिया और आंसर क्या लाना है 1, है ना. इसको बोलते हैं मैथमेटिक्स, राइट. सो फर्स्ट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड sin square a plus sin square b plus cos square a plus b plus 2 sin a sin b cos a plus b. This is given. Now, no idea. If this is sin square theta plus sin square theta. If it is cos, then sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. But this is a, this is b. So nothing, we can't do anything. Now examine these two. We get cos a plus b common from this. There is one hop. So first taking cos a plus b common. बाद में देखते हैं क्या होता है आगे, right? So taking this common, sin square a plus sin square b plus cos a plus b is common. So cos a plus b is common. So remaining one cos here. So cos a plus b as it is. So cos a plus b and plus this is 2 sin a sin b remaining. 2 sin a sin b is remaining. Now again hop finish. अब क्या करें? कुछ नहीं. Cos a plus b, you know formula for cos a plus b. What is the formula for cos? Both same, cos cos, sin sin, right? If plus, then opposite sign, that is minus. So formula for this cos a plus b is cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b and minus sin a sin b. This is the formula. So applying this formula here, right? Applying formula to this term cos a plus b only, if this as it is, so answer will be sin square a plus sin square b plus this is cos a plus b into bracket cos a plus b is this formula. So applying this cos a cos b minus sin a sin b and plus this is 2 sin a sin b. So now idea finish. Then observe. This is 2 times sin a sin b and this is sin a into sin b. So 2 minus 1 is plus, right? So what we get here? Sin square a plus sin square b plus this is cos a plus b, right? Now this is cos a cos b. Now 2 minus 1 is plus, so this is plus sin a sin b. This is plus sin a sin b. Now cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, then answer is, if this is minus, answer is plus. Now this is plus, so here this is plus, then answer is minus here. Got it? Same formula, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Answer here is plus, then answer is minus. So this is cos a minus b. So this is formula for cos a minus b. ये आपको पता है, right? So this will be sin square a plus sin square b plus cos a plus b and in this bracket this is cos a minus b. Now recall your all formulas from your hard disk, right? So cos a plus b, cos a minus b is cos square a minus sin square b, right? So this is sin square a plus sin square b plus this is cos a plus b, cos a minus b is cos square a minus sin square b. So I am writing directly here. This is cos square a minus sin square b. This is a standard formula, so no need to write again. Now this sin square b will be cut. So remaining will be sin square a plus cos square a, and sin square a plus cos square a is always 1, and that is your right hand side. So this is your right hand side, and hence this is true. Right? So similar same type question homework. See here. So as per my promise, 2 questions for do it yourself, do it home, okay, and be perfect in trigonometry, right? Practice makes a man perfect. So write down these 2 questions, solve it yourself. Now another formula, that range of trigonometric functions, that is a cos theta plus b sin theta. So if it is given in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta, where cos theta's coefficient is a and sin theta's coefficient is b, the range of this function is minus r2 plus r closed interval. You learn closed intervals in set theory. So closed interval minus r2 plus r, this is r, right? So this is minus r2 plus r, where r is the square root of a square plus b square, that is square of the coefficient of cos and sin, because cos coefficient is a and sin coefficient is b. So you have to remember this formula. This is not given in your textbook, but it's a required for competitive exam. So इसलिए मैं आपको ये बता रहा हूँ, right? And you have to remember the range of this function, because it's a useful formula in 12th standard for solving MCQs in competitive exam. That's why I'm just giving a few questions also for practice. Okay, so this is not going to be asked in your 11th standard exam, but you have to know each and every aspect of the trigonometry. So I am taking this as a one of the topic as a note, right? So range of a cos theta plus b sin theta is minus r to r, where r is under root a square plus b square, that is square root of a square plus b square, that you have to remember. Now see first question. So solution of this all question. So find the range of, right? Sometimes in exam आपको ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो ऐसे भी पूछ सकते हैं कि फाइंड द मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू, मींस मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इज योर r and minimum value is minus r. So this is your maximum value, right? And this is your minimum value. So sometimes आपको एग्जाम में ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि ये जो क्वेश्चन दिया है इसका आप मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या है वो बताइए, क्या है वो निकालिए, मिनिमम वैल्यू निकाल के बताइए, ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. आइदर रेंज means any question, right? Range means you have to find the maximum and minimum value, and if you have to find out maximum minimum value, then find the range of that function. It's clear and easy. Okay, so now find range of the following functions, right? First is 7 sin theta, right? This is our question. So 7 sin theta plus 24 cos theta. So first solution 7 sin theta, right, plus 24 cos theta. I am taking this as a f of theta. So suppose f of theta, then this is 7 sin theta plus 24 cos theta. So comparing this with a cos theta plus b sin theta, a is 24 and b is 7. So a is 24 and b is 7. So first of all we find out r, and what is r? Is under root a square plus b square. So now r is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Now this is square root of a square plus b square. Square root of a square, that is 24. 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49. So this is square root of 625. That is r will be 25. R will be 25 because 6 to 5, right? Square root of this is 6 to 5, right? So square root of 6 to 5 is 25. So therefore range of f, you know, this is a symbol we used in function. So range of f is equal to minus r to r, that is minus 25 to plus 25. So minus 25 to plus 25, either you can say, or maximum value of f, maximum value is equal to 25 and minimum value is minus 25 is equal to 25 and minimum value is equal to minus 25. So these are your answer. You have to give the answer as per your question demanding. So this is a way to find out the answers, that is the range of the given function. Now second question. So second question is, I am taking f theta. F theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta minus pi by 6 and plus 1. Right? Now this is not a theta in proper form, because we require proper form is a cos theta, that is given a cos theta, coefficient of cos is 1, and b sin theta, but theta is theta minus pi by 6. So we simplify first this and then find out the range of this function, because we have formula for a cos theta plus b sin theta, we have formula for this only. Then we can add again 1 to find out the range of this function, right? So first we here simplify this cos theta plus sin theta minus pi by 6. Now you have formula of sin a minus b. So substituting sin a minus b formula as we learned in previous lecture, right? So this is equal to cos theta plus sin a minus b, that is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, right? आपने देखा मैंने क्या किया, मैं बोलता था फॉर्मूला इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म sin a cos b, but instead of a is given theta and b is pi by 6, so I am writing theta and pi by 6, that is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, right? Now this is cos theta plus sin theta cos pi by 6, that is cos 30, pi by 6 means 30, 6 then 3 and 3 then 6, that you know, right? So cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so cos pi by 6 value is root 3 by 2 minus cos theta sin pi by 6, that is sin 30, and value of sin 30 is 1 upon 2, right? So this is cos theta, this is cos theta into half. So taking these both together, this is, if we take cos theta common, then this is 1 minus half, that is half cos theta. Either this is 1 cos theta, this is half cos theta. This is cos theta, this is half cos theta. So 1 minus half is half. Otherwise you can write like this also, 1 minus 1 upon 2. If you don't understand, this is a better way to write, right? आपको यदि पता नहीं चल रहा है शॉर्टकट्स में, तो आपको डायरेक्ट जाना नहीं है, आपको जो पता चले वैसे लिखो. तो मैंने cos थीटा कॉमन ले लिया, तो आपको ये पता चलता तो आप ये लिखो. आपको हाफ cos थीटा पता नहीं चलता तो एक स्टेप ज्यादा लिख देना है, मगर मार्क्स जाना नहीं चाहिए, राइट? सो प्लस दिस इज रूट 3 by 2 sin थीटा, रूट 3 by 2 sin थीटा, right? So this is half cos theta plus root 3 by 2 sin theta plus root 3 by 2 sin theta, right? Now comparing with this formula, standard form, a is half, b is root 3 by 2. So a is half and b is root 3 by 2. So our mission target is to find out the value of r, and what is r? Is under root a square plus b square, and the range of this function is close interval minus r2 plus r, right? So now r is equal to under root a square plus b square. So this is under root a square means 1 upon 4 plus b square means 3 by 4. So Taking LCM, both denominator same. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 by 4 is 1. So R is equal to square root of 1. This is square root of 1. So answer will be 1. So you will get R is equal to 1. Right? So your range is for this is minus R to R, that is minus 1 to 1. But your question is not this only. Plus 1 you have to add. So therefore be careful, right? इस टाइप का जो क्वेश्चन दिया है उस टाइम पे हमने तो ये पहले ये फाइंड किया है. वी फाइंड आउट दिस फर्स्ट. सो देयरफॉर cos थीटा प्लस sin थीटा माइनस पाई बाय 6. sin थीटा माइनस पाई बाय 6. This belongs to the range of this function. This is our standard function. This belongs to minus R to R. Range means this belongs to minus R to R. So this belongs to minus R to R, that is minus 1 to 1. Now we have to add this. You learn in relation and function how to find out the range, right? So this is cos theta plus sin theta minus pi by 6 and plus 1 and plus 1. So we are adding 1 here. So we have to add here 1. So this belongs to minus 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. Got it? Right? So therefore, now what is this? This is your f theta. So this is your f theta that we assume, that is f theta is this cos theta plus sin theta minus pi by 6 plus 1. So cos theta plus sin theta minus pi by 6 plus 1. So this belongs to 0 to 2. So 0 to 2. So this is your answer. And if you want to write answer in maximum and minimum values, then maximum value is 2 and minimum value is 0. Got it? Right? तो आपको ऐसे ही एग्जांपल सॉल्व करना है. और थर्ड वन भी था, वो भी सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. तो थर्ड वन क्या आएगा? तो थर्ड वन के लिए we assume similarly for third one f theta is equal to 5 cos theta plus 3 cos theta plus pi by 3 and plus 7. Plus 7 is given, right? So similarly we did here, we can वहां भी कर सकते हैं, right? So first we find out the range of this and then adding 7, just like this. First we can find out this and then adding plus 1. So then we adding plus 7, we will get our answer, right? Got it? So now first here we have to find out this 5 cos theta plus 3 times cos theta plus pi by 3. 3 times cos theta plus pi by 3. Now applying formula for cos A plus B. Now cos A plus B formula is, you know, both cos both sin. If plus then minus answer, and minus then answer is plus. Here plus. So cos A cos B, here is plus. So answer will be minus sin A sin B. So applying this formula we get 5 cos theta plus 3 times. Applying formula cos A cos B, that is cos pi by 3. Here is plus, so minus sin A sin B, that is sin pi by 3, right? So I'm not writing formula now because you have remember all formula, right? आपको memorize हो गया है. So this is 5 cos theta plus 3 times, right? So cos theta into cos pi by 3, cos 60 is half. So this is cos theta into 1 upon 2 minus sin theta into sin pi by 3. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2. Right? So this is 5 times cos theta plus, if you multiply, then this is 3 by 2 cos theta. So this is 3 by 2 cos theta minus, this is 3 root 3 by 2 sin theta. So 3 root 3 by 2 sin theta. Taking cos common as we did here, right? So taking cos common, what we get? 5 plus 3 by 2 into cos theta. Got it? Minus 3 root 3 by 2 sine theta. So LCM of this is 5 into 2, 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. So this is 13 by 2 cos theta minus 3 root 3 by 2 sine theta. So comparing with this standard formula, A cos theta plus B sine theta, A is 13 by 2. So A is 13 by 2 and B is minus 3 root 3 by 2. Right? So now next target is R. So R is equal to under root A square plus B square. But I am not writing because this is the formula is here. So directly 169 divided by 4 plus minus become plus because we are squaring. Root 3 square 3 into 9 27 by 4. So this is 196 by 4. Right? So taking LCM, this will be under root 196 divided by 4. So 196 is the square of 14. So this is square root of 14 and this is for 2. So our answer will be R is equal to 7. R is equal to 7. Either you can write 49 here also directly. If you don't want to write this, then you can write this also under root 49. 49 4s are 196. Right? If you know the tables, otherwise you can find for 14 divided by 2, right? So R is 7. So range of this 5 cos theta plus 3 cos theta plus 5 by 3 is minus 7 to plus 7 close interval. So therefore 5 cos theta plus 3 cos theta plus 5 by 3 belongs to close interval minus 7 to 7. Now what we want? We want this plus 7. Plus 7 means we have to add 7 here. So therefore 5 cos theta plus 3 cos theta plus 5 by 3 plus 7 belongs to close interval minus 7 plus 7, that is 0, and 7 plus 7 is 14. So I am not writing like this. Now you are not a bachcha, right? अब बड़े हो गए बच्चों, हाँ? Okay. So f theta belongs to, answer is 0 to 14. So this is your answer. The range of the function is close interval 0 to 14, or maximum value of function is 14 and minimum value is 0. Got it? Right? तो मैं ऐसा 2-3 एग्जांपल आपको होमवर्क में देता हूँ. यस, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में तो एक टाइप किया, आपको होमवर्क में एग्जांपल मिलेगा ही, क्योंकि टेक्स्ट बुक में एक फॉर्मूला है, एक एग्जांपल है, एक फॉर्मूला नहीं, एक एग्जांपल है, तो आपको प्रैक्टिस कुछ नहीं मिलेगी, तो आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. ओके, सो डू इट योरसेल्फ. होमवर्क 1 2 3 4 5 and be a perfect in trigonometry and be a master of trigonometry. Okay, thank you.